Hi, Chris Davis here with Auction Ohio. I invite you to attend the virtual auction for real estate at 6964 Carroll Circle Drive in Blacklick, Ohio. It is at the edge of Gehenna. It would be west of Reynoldsburg, New Albany Road and east of Mann Road off of Havens Corners in a gated community. It is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, basement, 2-car garage, first floor master, first floor laundry. It has a loft and a bonus room. It is a condo, but it lives like a house. If this property is familiar to you, we are back at an auction again. We held the first auction about 3 weeks ago with a buyer that did not perform, so we're back again to offer this property one more time at an auction. This property sells in as-is condition. You need to look at it and understand the condition as you see it. If you want to have an inspection, do that ahead of time. It sells without a contingency on financing, so that means you need to have the cash, or you need to have a lender who has given you the green light and is backing you and saying that you're able to buy this property. It has a 45-day closing. So you've got a little bit of additional time here as to the norm to be able to perform, so hopefully that gives you some level of comfort. The seller is going to pay for and provide for title insurance and prorate the taxes and pay the deed prep and pay the conveyance fee. You're buying it free and clear of all liens and encumbrances. There is a $10,000 deposit required if you are the successful bidder. You need to be able to write that check the next day following the end of the auction. You'll enter into a contract at that time as well. There is a 10% buyer premium that is added to the bid price and collected at the time of closing. So as an example, if you were the successful bidder at $250,000, there would be an additional $25,000 added to that bid price and again collected at the time of close. If you have any questions, feel free to call anytime. My personal cell is 614-570-2500. You can email me at chris@auctionohio.com. Hope to see you at the auction. Thank you.